Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double dark. A very beautiful silver jari work sarees in a vibrant combination color. A light blue color, a very beautiful different color blue, and we have Aravatam design in the pallu. Body butta is given in the pallu also, and we have a plain blouse piece. Same pallu color, contrast one for the body. Body color and pallu color is a very rare color here. Combination is very different, and a very beautiful peachy pink color body. You can see the color combination, excellent one with Aravatam design, silver jari buttas, 240 jacquard weaving. You can see the big size, very clear and premium work done on a proper premium soft silk. It's a completely handcrafted work with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, 240 jacquard weaving, very beautiful silver jari buttas, Aravatam design butta sarees in elegant red color, chili red, hot attractive red color with beautiful triple mango design buttas, very big size, excellently weaved buttas. Inside a big mango we have two mangoes, very pretty work, 240 jacquard weaving, and it is a finely weaved clear butta, and we have a contrast blouse piece and pallu. And pallu is a very different color, a rust and mango yellow mixed color with fully Aravatam design weaving in the pallu also, grand one with plain blouse piece. The combination is very different. The saree work is also premium one, completely handcrafted with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, a 240 jacquard weaving, Aravatam design buttas, 3D type, very excellent design, dark base color, navy blue and purple is mixed to get a beautiful dark purple color, very elegant one with copper and silver mixed jari work. Original copper is mixed with normal silver jari to get a beautiful color tone for the jari, and 3D type circle pattern is weaved, very elegant one, completely handcrafted with a very contrast dark Ananda blue color pallu. Pallu also have the same zari tone, beautiful weaving in the pallu, grand one with same color plain blouse piece. Excellent combination, dark combo with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, a 3D type concept. Copper jari work here, copper and silver mixed here. We use dull copper. Beautiful collection. You can see the original copper version. 3D type buttas, and the saree color is a pastel green color. The pista green is mixed with mild yellow color, which gives a beautiful glaze, a glowy saree, beautiful pastel shade with a pastel color pallu, a sandy half white color. The jari work even here is same copper jari, horizontal weaving, very rich, and we have a plain blouse piece. Beautiful pastel color saree, very different color, best one for the pastel lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, beautiful color combination, excellent red pallu here, bright chili red color with silver jari work, and it is dazzling on the pallu color. Aravatam design, very clear with plain blouse piece in pallu color, and we have a very different blue, a mild color blue color, that is the peacock neck blue without green mix, an elegant combination for the red. And you can see the 240 jacquard weaving thick designing buttas, very elegantly weaved, excellent 3D type work, and the saree is premium handcrafted saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very elegant vibrant combination colors sarees with copper jari work, a very beautiful grey and brown mixed color pallu, copper and silver jari mixed work in the jari, and we have same color blouse piece. 3D type concept weaving, 240 jacquard, elegant Aravatam design buttas in copper. Copper is trending now and it's being used in these buttas. And we have a very beautiful sea green and blue mixed color saree. Saree color is also very rare and beautiful color with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, silver jari work, excellent design sarees, dark blue color, deep blue, something between navy and royal blue color. You can see the 3D type buttas and 240 jacquard weaving, beautiful silver jari work, borderless concept, and we have a very different brick red color pallu. Pallu also have horizontal weaving design, a rich one with plain blouse piece in pallu color. Very contrast and beautiful combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double value. A very beautiful copper jari work sarees in 240 jacquard weaving, big butta design, borderless concept. A green saree, leaf green color, beautiful combo. And you can see the copper jari, original copper is mixed with gold to get a beautiful shade. Buttas, elegantly weaved with 3D type buttas in 240 jacquard weaving, and we have a contrast pallu. Pallu is a cream color, half white cream with horizontal weaving, gold and copper mixed jari work, and we have plain blouse piece. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful 3D design butta collection in silver jari with a vibrant, alluring combination. A radiant green color pallu, light green with beautiful butta design work, completely aravatam used here for the pallu also. Beautiful work. Same color blouse piece, plain one. Contrast one for the body. The body is in borderless concept, a very beautiful navy blue color, a black mixed blue. Excellent color, and the buttas are very visible on this dark base. 3D type 240 jacquard aravatam design buttas. You can see the butta clarity, very beautiful one. Silver jari used, and the saree is completely handcrafted, very finely crafted premium soft silk saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a borderless collection, beautiful silver jari work, 3D type butta design sarees, an excellent color combination. A pinkish red color pallu with silver jari work. The butta design is given in the pallu also, 3D work, and we have same blouse piece, pallu color. Contrast one for the body, and body is a very vibrant radiant green color, almost fluorescent green. Excellent combo, and you can see the buttas. Buttas are 240 jacquard aravatam weaving buttas, very big and beautiful. 3D work, you can see the closer view, it looks very beautiful, and it is a completely handloom weaving with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection, 240 jacquard weaving, big size buttas, aravatam design, 3D concept buttas. Here we have a very beautiful dual tone color. Rama green is mixed with copper sulphate blue to get a beautiful tone. It is elegant dual tone color. And we have the copper jari mixed with silver to get a light and beautiful copper tone buttas. In 3D type it is. You can see the closer view. Very elegantly it's done. Completely handcrafted and borderless concept. And we have a dark Ananda blue color. Pallu also have the same zari tone. And we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent and different exclusive collection saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection in silver jari work. Beautiful combination color here. A black beautiful saree in jet black color. Complete saree is in black, and you can see the buttas. Silver jari buttas are dazzling on black. Very beautifully done. 3D type buttas, aravatam design, borderless concept, and you can see a very contrast, a dark red, a maroonish red color pallu with horizontal weaving design. Silver jari used for the weaving with a plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already beautifully made here. The combination is very beautiful for the black lovers with authentic silk.